Welcome to Nullcon 2018, the premier international conference for security professionals. This is our 8th year in sunny Goa. We've got 1,400 attendees, some intense workshops, amazing trainings, enlightening keynotes, boardroom sessions, and so much more. Come, let's take a look inside. Oh, hi Harun.
Hi.
What's your experience been like so far?
So far it's been pretty great. So it's my first time in India, so certainly first time seeing Nullcon. So far it's been pretty awesome.
The community here is really tight-knit. There's a lot of people involved in Null and Nullcon, which basically brings out the best research, honestly. There's a lot of cool talks going on. And then there's a lot of focus on this conference with villages and like side little areas where you can do cool things like CTFs, and that's really important to like a burgeoning conference scene. And so I think that Null and Nullcon has really taken a good approach to kind of bringing all these people together. I really enjoy it.
It's a great meetup, and I would really like to congratulate the Nullcon committee that in the last 2 years I've seen Nullcon grow like at least 10x. The people from elite conferences like Black Hat, DEF CON, you'll find the best, cream of security community coming here at Nullcon this time.
Yeah, this is indeed my first time at Nullcon, and so far it's been a good conference. So it was an interesting keynote. My own presentation went quite well. So I'm looking forward to attending the other talks and meeting all the people here.
I think a lot of the friendliness, a lot of the candor I'm seeing is really nice. Just generally the hospitality's been great. So everyone's been really friendly, and it's just made me feel really at home.
It's really been great. The crowds have been good. So many people here asking great questions, stopping by our booth. We see heavy engagement in the Capture the Flag event that we're sponsoring. So I'm really enjoying it, and I think people are getting a lot out of it.
One thing I like coming here is because you get to see a lot of youngsters and freshers working in cybersecurity. That is one part. Second part is you get to see a lot of technology guys here. And third, very important part, which I am now looking at and probably Nullcon is graduating, is there is a connect that is happening with the enterprises as well.
I'm amazed with what these guys have achieved. And this is their 9th year, and they keep growing bigger and bigger. And the best part is that this is a conference which is dedicated to the technical community. And the tech community comes up with some real issues which you get to hear mostly here.
Okay.
If you go to any other kind of a conference, you don't get to hear so many valuable insights. And that's what makes it so special to be here.
Special is definitely the location, because usually conferences are in conference halls or centers, and looks more like an industrial area, but here you're close to the beach in a nice surrounding, and I really appreciate that.
Being a trainer, it's you always have that headache of, okay, all your demos should be working properly, all your hands-on should go on well, and after that Nullcon gives such amazing parties at night. So it's like always late night parties, early morning training. It's always a hectic thing to do, but it's fun.
I'm visiting from 10 to 25 conferences a year all over the world, and I should say that this is definitely one of the best. Good people. It's quite large, a lot of interesting information, nice speakers, nice events, everything is fantastic.